I feel happy and very impressive here in Edo.
I'm really excited and especially with the theme of ASA this year on sustainability.
To strengthen primary care, and also I failed to mention there's Kalusugan, which is the initiative of DOH, to also do community involvement.
I believe that surely being proud that university itself its programs that embrace sustainability as its primary purpose.
Salute to our President Vic Veloso and his team in the successful conduct of this summit.